So we got hot sauce,
Hot sauce.
pickle juice, not the pickle, but pickle juice,
But the pickle juice.
and a lemon.
What a lemon at?
Right. The lemon.
All right.
This is
Lemon lime.
lemon lime, and you gotta drink this
Without
within
frowning.
30 seconds.
Without frowning.
Nope, 10 seconds.
5.
5 seconds. You got 5 seconds to drink this.
Anybody want to take
This is a new challenge, people. Camera here.
I do.
New challenge.
What's it called?
Shamaka boom boom. The Shamaka boom boom.
Shamaka Boom Boom Challenge.
So check me out. It will be on Facebook. Hopefully Twitter, Tumblr. I don't know what else. Y'all know the social channels.
Instagram.
He already eating the lemon. He getting ready. Yeah, that preparation.
Can I get this nigga on the camp?
All right.
All right, and he's off.
All right. All right. You first.
We got 2 shot glasses.
2 shot glasses.
Yes, sir. Yes,
There
sir.
it is. Let me
Perfect
see them
size.
out. Let me see them out. Oh my goodness.
We evened up.
Yeah,
Oh
we
no,
even
this one got a little bit more.
Oh no, this one. Let me fix that. Oh, there we go.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
Yo, throw me in the mug.
Spice it up one more time.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. All right, let's get
That's that hot shit, man.
That's that
Louisiana
Louisiana.
hot. That nigga named Kirk. That nigga, that makes some hot ass shit, now.
All right.
Man,
Play with it now.
man,
Got the
man,
fan
dope
on.
that, man. Fan right there.
Got a fan on because you will be sweating.
I'm already sweating. Ain't even drinking.
That's a bloody Shamaka Boom Boom.
The bloody Shamaka boom boom. All right. That's what we gonna call it.
The bloody Shamaka Boom Boom.
All right, on you.
First one's
All
up.
right. 5.
Bottoms up. Bottoms up.
Tell me when you're ready.
Smell that shit first, bitch.
Let me smell. Ooh, this
All right.
good though.
Hey, smell that. The camera.
Smell like him.
Ooh, that steak.
Are you ready?
That's stupid, man.
5.
Oh, wait, I gotta drink it before the 5 or?
No. When I go,
When you go
5. You go. All right, you ready? 5, 4, 3.
Open
It's
your-
gone.
Open your mouth.
Open the mouth.
Oh, snap.
All right.
Ah, yes, baby.
I think he's finna blow.
I like this shit. You like it? You nasty nigga. This nigga, I like it. This nigga, I like this stuff. All right.
Can I have another, sir? Shit.
All right.
You gotta spice that one up, though. I'm seeing already. What's some more? What's this shit now?
Hell no, not right now. Next time.
Colonial.
Colonial. That's when you want to be a big dog.
All right, your turn, nigga. 5, 4,
Wait, nigga, he had
3.
said.
Not me, nigga.
Oh, all right. The cameraman can't get. They messing with the camera.
Cinco. You cheating, bitch. You still something in there.
Oh, we got a cheater.
What does he say? What does he say?
That shit take, That's a nasty
What does he say?
Seeds and all. Go down.
So check me out. That's the new challenge. Y'all go ahead and hop on that. We out.